How to remove TikTok Shop from your profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can remove the shop button in your TikTok profile. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok app and get logged into your TikTok account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. At this page, tap onto 3-bar icon on your top right, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Account, tap on Account, and then you have to switch your business account to a personal account if you want to remove the shop button in your profile. To do that, simply tap on Switch to Personal Account, and if you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features and your account will no longer show your business website and email. If you would still like to continue, then tap on Switch Anyway. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.